Hi guys! In this video we're going to be looking at simplifying fractions. What does that mean? Let me show you an example. This first picture shows half the rectangle coloured in. So 1 on 2. The next one is also half, but the actual fraction that it's showing you is 2 out of 4, or 2 quarters. But I can see that it's exactly the same as half. My next one is 3/6, but again it's half the shape that's coloured in, so it's actually half. To simplify fractions, what we do is we find the common factors of both the top and the bottom number. So 2 and 4, the common factor there is 2, so we're going to divide both the top and the bottom by 2. It's really important that whatever you do to the top, the numerator, you also do to the bottom, the denominator. If you don't, then it won't be an equal fraction anymore. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that shows me that 2 quarters is half. Just like what you can actually see, half the shape is coloured in. Let's look at our next part. 3/6. The common factor there is 3, so divide both top and bottom by 3. You have to divide by the same number. So dividing the top by 3, 3 divided by 3 is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So again, it's half. Alright, let's look at some more examples. My next fraction is 3/9. So again, we need to find the common factor. So 3 and 9, the common factor is 3. So I'm going to divide the numerator by 3, and I'm also going to divide the denominator by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 3 on 9 is the same as 1/3. We'll look at a few more examples. Sometimes you might need to divide your fractions more than once, especially if you can't find the largest common factor at first. So I'll show you an example of when you might need to do that. If we look at this example, 6/20. The first thing I think of is that both numbers are even. If they're both even, I can divide them both by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So 6/20 is the same as 3/10. Let's look at the next example. There's 21 and 49. I know I can divide 21 by 3, but I can't divide 49 by 3, so it's not a common factor. The common factor though, when we work it out, is 7. So I can divide both the top and the bottom by 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 49 divided by 7 is 7. So 21 over 49 is 3/7. Sometimes you'll be given an equation, and then it will say, express your answer in the simplest form. So let's have a go here. Now remember, when you're adding two fractions, you have to make sure the denominator is the same. So I've got 10 and I have 5. I can turn 5 into 10 by timesing by 2. I've just times the bottom by 2, which means I also have to times the top by 2. Because whatever you do to the bottom, you must do to the top. Whatever you do to the top, you must do to the bottom. Just like our examples above. Okay, so now I've got 3/10 plus 1 times 2 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 3 plus 2 is 5 over 10. Now I can see that 5 and 10 both have a common factor. The factor is 5. So I can simplify it. Divide the top and the bottom by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So 3 tenths plus 1/5 is actually the same as half. And that's our simple answer. Hope that's been really helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.